There's a comment that came I saw for you Ali which was that अब हम वो गुड्डू नहीं जो इधर उधर लबड़ लबड़ करते थे अब पुलिस में हैं हम सबसे बिना कर रखना चाहिए क्या आप इस चीज में विश्वास रखते हैं
मैं विश्वास रखने के बावजूद फॉलो नहीं कर पाता
As a mother and as a woman, I think what was tough was to explain consent was very, very important for my son to understand.
There's this film which I directed, in 2022. Everybody, after watching the film, said that it's one of the best sports films they have seen. But it never got released.
Ali, I have a tough question for you. What's one thing about raising a daughter that scares you the most? Hi, this is Pari. You're watching us on Yuva, and this is Tough Questions with the team of Rak. There's a dialogue in the show, जो I think राकेश बेदी जी का dialogue है घनश्याम का, which is सबसे बना के चलना चाहिए, सबसे बना कर रखना चाहिए. तो मेरा पहला सवाल आप सबसे है कि क्या आप इस चीज़ में विश्वास रखते हैं? Do you think that's true and do you follow that in your life?
मैं विश्वास रखने के बावजूद फॉलो नहीं कर पाता थोड़ी देर के बाद कोशिश करना भी बंद कर दिया
करने दिया नहीं जाता
आगे बढ़े
Okay, आप फॉलो करते हो?
To a large extent, I do believe in it कि सबसे बना के रखना चाहिए.
Yeah.
But boundaries तो definitely बहुत important है और वो है, लेकिन कोशिश ज़रूर होती है कि सबसे बना के रखें.
How do you navigate a situation जब आपकी किसी से एक्चुअली बन नहीं रही है या बनती नहीं है लेकिन उससे काम है तब क्या होता है
नहीं होता यार काम
बेकारी होती है बेकारी
नहीं हो पाता काम
हाँ हमारे पेशे में नहीं हो सकता ऐसा आई थिंक इट्स वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट टू
You have to navigate that relationship.
yes
I also feel, for me personally, I feel
Ji.
it's a gender thing also. Like since for women, most of the time we are taught to keep the peace, and I think like as I'm growing older, I'm trying to
unlearn that
unlearn that.
Yeah.
It's tough, but it is. It's
Totally agree with her, but it's an instinct is to बना के रखना चाहिए. लेकिन also with the profession we are in, we are all in each other's private spaces when you're working, and it's just generally better कि थोड़ा अगर बना के चले तो.
that's a message for you okay my next question is what's the truth about human nature or behavior that you have learned as you've grown older
ह्यूमन नेचर के बारे में यही है कि ह्यूमंस अडेप्ट टू एनी सिचुएशन फॉर एग्जांपल इन दिस शो आवर कैरेक्टर्स what they're going through is simply unimaginable, but to then again recover from that kind of a situation to get some semblance of life and dignity back into your life is still possible, is quite remarkable about human beings. Even in the depths of despair, there's somehow
There's
some
hope.
light somewhere that keeps you going.
yeah that's so true that's true
I think people change. I think that accepting that
Yeah.
is very important. I
Yeah.
think with age you start to understand that people close to you they change because they are also going through some kind of evolution, right? Their mental evolution. So वो change होता रहता है and you keep on accepting them the way they are. I think with age you understand that.
मुझे लगता है कि लोगों की appetite to watch violence on screen has increased. I feel like people don't flinch anymore as much as they used to. जब आप violence दिखाते हो, आपको लगता है कि उसमें भी एक line होनी चाहिए. And what kind of responsibility do you assume as filmmakers?
It is primarily when the violence is not put into the format not to titillate, but to tell the story. I think that's the line. You want to evoke a certain kind of emotion with that story. And to do that, as much as it is needed, उतना ही चाहिए violence डालने के लिए.
जी.
I feel.
I feel like in our show also, like most of the violence, the physical act is very less. It's the build up to it, and I fear emotional violence more. I feel like, it stays more with you. I feel like because we're so now used to seeing physical acts of violence and in larger than life formats on cinema, you don't feel that that can happen to you. You were like, oh, okay, somebody is getting killed somewhere.
Right.
That's another person's story. But when it's emotionally violent, it draws you deeper in, and that is scarier. So it's about what kind of violence and why is that needed to tell the story at what point.
That's right. That's true. Okay, Akash and Ramandeep. Firstly, what a fine job, यार. बहुत ही मतलब मुझे इतनी नफरत हुई आप लोग दोनों से ना. Like I just hate you guys so much.
Thank you for eating us.
That is a compliment. But सबसे uncomfortable चीज आप लोगों को क्या करनी पड़ी to actually play these characters?
I think more than mentally, it was physical for me. Every day, we go through so many takes again and again. So physically, it was very taxing. I think there was prosthetic, but at the same time, there were real cuts which were happening. And you go in the night, you take shower, and you realize कि वो अच्छा ये असली वाला है and ये. So I think physically, it was very challenging at that time. So that was little uncomfortable, and would smoke. So throughout the show, I had to put a BD and
And he's
so,
not a smoker.
Yeah.
Yeah, so these things were little uncomfortable to me.
Okay, Ramandeep, क्या था?
मेरा टोटली ऑपोजिट है
है जैसे
कि लाइक मेरे को फिजिकली उतना तो पता ही था क्योंकि ऑडिशन में बहुत कुछ फिजिकल हो गया था तो मैं प्रिपेयर्ड था कि मारधाड़ तो होने वाली है बट मेंटली बहुत ड्रेनिंग था कि लाइक मेरे को ऐसा लगा कि अपार्ट फ्रॉम जो मैं ऑन स्क्रीन कर रहा हूँ जब मैं घर भी जा रहा हूँ एक दो बार ऐसा हुआ कि किसी ने कुछ किया होगा और मैं उसे ऐसे देख रहा हूँ और आई एम लाइक बड़ी क्या मेरे को उस टाइम मार पड़ सकती थी बट मेरे में वो फ्लो था मेरे को पड़ सकती थी रियल चलना
like during shooting when we are directing it so when like इससे बोलोगे कि अभी ये सीन करना है तो बोलोगे हाँ चलो करता है बाबू एकदम रेडी हो जाएगा he is very spontaneous he will say कि मुझे 2 मिनट दीजिए आप always
Okay.
and he'll get into mood and then he'll come to set वो रेडी तैयार वहाँ पे खड़ा हुआ है so they were we always had to manage कि इसको बोल के इसको कब बोले कि तू आजा और इसको कब बोले कि तू तैयार है हमेशा ही चलता था
आपकी गर्दन सीधी हुई कि नहीं अभी कि ऐसी?
मैंने ये बाद में नोटिस करा है कि वॉक चेंज थी इवन बॉडीली भी थोड़ा मतलब मैंने बीच में वर्कआउट शुरू करा वो जो मेरे पास आ नहीं रहा है मैं तो मैंने कुछ तो किया है बट वो आ नहीं रहा है बट हाँ मेरे को लगा कुछ तो मैंने उसमें अलग करा है इवन मैंने अपना जो मूड बोर्ड था वो मैंने अपने रूम में भी लगाया हुआ था तो जो मेरे रूममेट्स थे वो कहते क्या यार सुबह उठ के कॉकरोच दिखाता है तू उन्होंने मेरे को बहुत बोला उस बारे में कि मैंने कहा क्या करूँ भाई क्योंकि उसमें एक कॉकरोच का एक हैप्पी फेस भी था
वाह
ये वाला है ना तो ये देखते हैं तो वो भी अलग अलग फोटोज थे उसके बेसिकली
My God.
तो मेरे को काफी मजा आया वो करने में।
Talk about prep and how. Okay, Ali, I have a tough question for you. What's one thing about raising a daughter that scares you the most in the world we live in today?
Oh,
I guess any new parent, what the things they would go through. It's it's a funny world, and yeah. And also, we have no reference of parenting before this, so these things are very new for us. So I'm still learning on the job, and hoping that we together can prepare her for the world. We're trying. We'll get there.
Okay. Ma'am, आपसे question है. You have a son. So what's a conversation that you think every parent should have with their sons?
Difficult conversation, but there are many of them that one should have with the sons. But as a mother and as a woman, I think what was tough was to explain, and I had a lot of help from my husband for that. But explaining what was consent was very, very important for my son to understand. Understanding the fact that now it is equal, and as much as it can be and should be, yet everybody is not at the same level. So when you have your friends who are girls around, what is it that you should extend a bit more to the girls and without making it feel like it's an extension. It's a very fine line. And there are certain things that you need to be a little bit more aware, because I find that certain things that, and Anusha can support that, as women, you will understand that we look at it most naturally, and you realize that as men, it doesn't occur to them because they don't have to go through that. It's so it's so part of our DNA in that sense, you know.
Right.
So just to identify that and tell him that, you know, look, what is coming so naturally to you wouldn't be so natural to the girl because of this. So it's a very fine line, and that's a conversation that can't be had in a hurry. So it takes a lot of time. And you never know if that has actually gotten across. Only time will tell.
Yeah, but I think it's very
We can
important.
try.
Yeah, important to have that conversation. I think, yeah.
Yes.
Thank you. ये अगला सवाल कोई भी इसका जवाब दे सकता है सबके लिए. हर रोज हम you know, we are bombarded with stories, with news, you know, something or the other is happening every day. But is there something that you've recently read or come across that moved you in a way that gave you hope?
कोट ही है बेसिकली. उसमें पढ़ा था, मेरे बच्चे तुम इतनी मोहब्बत करना कि इस नफरत भरे समाज में भी तुम्हारा होना एक विद्रोह लगे.
वाह वाह वाह.
तो ये तो लाइक मैंने कहा ये बहुत सही है.
ये मेरे मूड बोर्ड पे जाने वाला है.
मूड बोर्ड नहीं, मैं इन जनरल तुम्हें समझाना चाहूँगा. ये मूड बोर्ड में क्या, ये मेरे मूड में ही घुस जाए तो बेटर है.
There's a lot of good happening.
Yes.
I think and like you said, right, we keep getting bombarded by a lot of violence, a lot of things that are, you know, not very right with the world, and it camouflages all the good
Correct.
that's probably happening under the, you know, radar, but it is. And even just yesterday, like, I met an educator, and I think I was telling you, and you know, he goes to like the smallest of the villages and sees how schools are run today, and you know, where the government allocated money like reaches. And he was telling me, you know, that there are people who are doing this. They have nothing to gain from it, right? But they're just out there teaching, sometimes even pro bono.
Sometimes they put in from their pocket and they
Yeah.
teach.
Yeah,
But they,
yeah.
I mean, in a time when, sad to say that there are actually like schools shutting down, you know, at a record pace in our country. So I think that's really saying something.
Yeah. So there's a lot of interesting, like, बहुत अच्छे reviews आ रहे हैं for the show, you know, and people are loving it. But why I mentioned this now is मेरे को एक याद आया. There's a comment that came I saw for you, Ali, which was that अब हम वो गुड्डू नहीं जो इधर उधर लबड़ करते थे, अब पुलिस में हैं हम. इतने सारे ओ वाओ व्हाट सच एन इम्पोर्टेंट शो, इतना उसके बीच में एक ये कमेंट.
But this is what we needed to do between takes.
Really?
Keep our like heads out of the, you know, the daldal that the show
Okay.
really creates in its own.
Okay, agla tough question for all of you. Do you think celebrities have a responsibility to speak on social and political issues? Should it be expected of them?
I suppose so. Yeah.
Yeah?
In a sense, yes. I don't think we can. Sorry, I'm just stepping in. I don't think as artists, I think we of course come with a lot of compassion, but art isn't complete without politics or the society that we're living in. It's sometimes a reflection of it, or sometimes it takes from it. You know, it's almost like a little match, tennis game. So you can't detach it and just वो कोलू के बैल की तरह आप बिल्कुल अंदर ऐसे नहीं कर सकते हैं. I respect, yes, in the day and age, a lot of people who choose not to, and it's fine. You know, sometimes we all have to run our kitchens, and it gets hard. But having said that, I think I will always believe that we must at least do something in our own ways. And everybody has their own ways. It doesn't have to be standing on a pedestal and shouting. Sometimes it takes, you know, stuff like this. You know, people to come together, write some brilliant things, shoot it, and let it speak for itself. Sometimes that's the loudest voice.
Yeah.
But individually, yes, that too.
To qualify it, I think it's, I mean, how do you define a celebrity firstly, and how, I mean, not everybody,
Fuck, I
not
just
every
assumed.
celebrity is in,
No, I just celebrity. Yeah.
no, you did qualify it by saying being an artist, therefore it's important.
Yes.
So not every celebrity is an artist. So if you're listening to celebrities
Yeah.
on everything,
Correct. ये
then there's a difference. But if you're an artist and if you're not speaking up, then it is kind of problematic because you are, as an artist, commenting on society, on life in general to begin with. So if you shut up about something which is obviously wrong, then that's a compromise that takes away from your stature as an artist and from your art as well.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
just when we all say and we agree with it, it is a commercial art. And that line is a very important line to understand. Also, when you say qualified, we could be an artist, but it's not necessary that me as an artist will know every thing about that particular subject.
True.
So I would say that as an artist, if I don't know everything about the subject, I would rather not comment than comment wrong. And also, if I'm an artist, then that is the way I should be portraying it. And I should understand what is it. If I'm a painter, I should paint it. If I'm a poet, I should write the poetry. If I'm a filmmaker, I'll do it. If I'm an actor, I'll choose a subject which voices something. Doesn't necessarily mean that I have to come out of it and comment on something which I might not be completely qualified to comment on. And I think most of them are not qualified to comment on what they're commenting on without understanding that every situation has a 360 degree, and that should be understood.
Yeah, yeah. Again, another very beautiful, interesting perspective. Thank you so much, ma'am. We'll end with, because we want to end on, even Yuva stands for hope, and that is what I also want to end on. The show also ends on that. What's been like that one tough phase in your life, and what helped you get through that phase?
मेरा ना शो में एक डायलॉग है, आई थिंक सेकंड एपिसोड में वो आता है, जिसमें वो बोलता है, उसका बेसिकली स्पीच है अपना, वो प्रीवियस ट्रॉमास को उसमें डिपिक्ट करने की कोशिश कर रहा है. तो उसमें वो एक लाइन बोलता है कि और एक ये है महानगर, यहाँ कोई मरता है तो मर जाए, कोई कबूतर नहीं मुड़ के देखने वाला. तो ये एक ऐसी रियलिटी है जो हम अपने एक जर्नी में निकले हुए हैं, और हर कोई कहता है कि भाई मैं सपोर्ट करता हूँ, बट डीप डाउन सबको पता है कि हम अकेले ही चल रहे हैं. तो होप वही है कि कोई मुड़ के देखने वाला होना चाहिए. जो शो में बोल रहे हैं ना, कोई मुड़ के नहीं देखने वाला, तो कोई होना चाहिए मुड़ के देखने वाला.
How beautiful.
Taking off from what he said, like we are in the city. We are all like immigrants in a way in Mumbai, most of us. So it's like friends who become family, and that support system is that keeps us going.
Yes, Sandeep.
Everyday life, chota chota. I think when people stand up for you, people like show up for you. That itself is a nice act of camaraderie, friendship, and familyship. Those small things.
Yeah, yeah.
I think for me, my mom went through illness. She was in a very early stage of breast cancer. So I guess at that time it was, very difficult to accept that, okay, so like this is there now. And it was very new feeling to me because earlier, before that, everything which came to me, I thought that, okay, we'll figure it out. But this time it was little disturbing, and I couldn't accept the fact that, okay, this has happened. I lost my bade papa. Then, so when you see a death in your family, all of these big things, but then even after, you go through all of this, and years later you realize life goes on. So I think, and goes on with time heals, that is for sure. So this is what, the hopeful thing I would say is that, yes, to everything, life goes on.
Yeah. Thank you for sharing that, Akash. Rashid.
In a director's life, there are many difficult, phases.
I'm sure.
Yeah. There's this film which I directed, in 2022, and everybody, after watching the film said that it's one of the best sports film they have seen. And,
Please, आप नाम बताओ फिल्म का यार, ऐसे कैसे?
I can't.
Okay.
But it
Yeah.
never got released. So yeah, and when it didn't got released, I was really, really, down, and I was not being able to figure out a way to, find a way to release it. But then a lot of my friends, they said that, yaar, film dikhao, and everybody came in, and I had to do some, screenings, and obviously I couldn't release that film, that couldn't happen because of the producers, but those screenings, everybody came out, and everybody was like, it's so nice, and it gave me so much hope. You know.
This is an interesting incident. I was a science student, and I played a lot of sports. So I'm
Already laughing.
Science student, select sports.
So I was heavy into basketball, hockey, and all that. I broke my arm, and that was the biggest like loss of my life. कि मैंने सोचा था कि मैं अपने देश के लिए खेलूंगा कभी. I was going, state level, ये वो फलाना ढिमका, and suddenly like my world came crashing. That night I remember, I dislocated, broken, like twice the arm had gone, and I couldn't do it. I knew that night sitting with like dislocated arm on that bed in my boarding school, on my way to the hospital. I had to go after that, and I said my life is over as I know it. And next day I remember there's this crazy like hippie family that's come down to this, Doon school, my school, to direct this one play and all. And my friend has come, and the next week he's seen me depressed, and he's like, यार तुम्हारी अंग्रेजी ठीक ठाक है, वो शेक्सपियर कर रहे हैं, तुम जाओ ना करो ये सब करो, शायद डिबेटिंग करो ये वो. I said okay, I'll try. So there's hope, that turned into my career, man. Like, so,
Love the story.
See, we were smiling already.
Thank you, Ali,
Yeah.
ma'am.
I know. I think I don't know. What do I say about hope? I live by it. Life is an open book. There have been many ups and downs, and one realizes that it's the family and the friends and the relationships. Okay, let me put it that way. It's the relationships that give me hope. It's the people and the relationships we form. That's what life is all about, I feel.
Yeah. Thank you. And to end with you.
मेरा तो मतलब सब कुछ ADHD, PTSD, सब every day is a struggle. Getting out of bed is a struggle, but you do. इसमें क्या है अब? उठते हैं, चलते हैं, शाम को घर जाते हैं, बस
इतना क्या
every
भाई?
day. क्या है? देखो भाई, मेरा भी एक अंडर 19 में हिमो अधिकारी का कैंप लगा था क्रिकेट का कश्मीर में. अनिल कुंबले वाज कमिंग, ऑस्ट्रेलिया टीम जानी थी.
Okay.
उससे एक दिन पहले मेरा कॉलर बोन टूट गया, और पहले ही दिन हिमो, और उसके बाद भी मैं गया सीमेंट विकेट पर. मुझे हिमो अधिकारी टेनिस बॉल से शॉर्ट पिच, बट ही वांटेड द एल्बो अप.
Oh God.
और मैं उठ नहीं रहा मेरा उससे.
I know that pain. I mean,
But I'm saying that's a very, looking back, because I'm older than you, it's a very trivial thing.
No, it's not.
It's a very trivial thing. At that time, it was a mountain. For me, I didn't want to give up with a broken collarbone. I didn't want to give up that camp, because मुझे भी लग रहा था मैं ऑस्ट्रेलिया जाऊंगा. कोई चांस नहीं था, लेकिन ये बैट सीधा नहीं
But the resilience,
But I'm
right?
saying,
The
But I'm
resilience.
saying, उसके बाद you see a lot more in life, and that's why I'm saying getting out of bed, there are days when getting out of bed is a struggle, but in retrospect, हाँ उससे भी निकल आए, उससे भी निकल आए, उससे भी निकल आए. ये तो मतलब these are cycles that keep coming and keep coming.
ये उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Syndrome? The what? Something?
Imposter syndrome. Imposter syndrome.
Imposter syndrome. Discounting his experiences because दुनिया में बहुत है भाई. Correct?
हाँ ज़माना
तो ये गलत है. नहीं, ये ऐसे नहीं.
अरे तेरा गम
नहीं, उसमें हम सड़ जाएंगे हम लोग. क्या आप ऐसे मत.
अरे भर के गम भाई
नहीं
दुनिया
है,
में.
सिर्फ गम ही गम है.
ये भाई तुम ये इधर कोट दे.
हाँ, last ending.
तुमने तो कॉकरोच में भी स्माइली लगा
जैसे मैं भी स्पोर्ट्स में था, मैं डिस्ट्रिक्ट खेला हूँ और मैं स्टेट कैंप लगाया हुआ है. लाइक अर्शदीप मेरा बैचमेट है बेसिकली, तो उसने ट्रेलर भी शेयर करा था हमारा.
Exactly. Cricketers started sharing
तो
their shares.
उसने वैभव अरोड़ा जो केकेआर से खेलता है, तो मैं उनके साथ में ही था. तो लाइक मैं बताता हूँ मेरे दोस्तों को यार कि मेरा दोस्त अर्शदीप है, तो कहते हाँ हम जानते हैं. मैंने कहा बस ये चाहिए जब तू अपने दोस्तों को बोले ना कि यार ये रमनदीप है, और वो बोले कि हाँ भाई मैं जानता हूँ. ये चाहिए, तो यही होप है मेरी तो.
How sweet. On that note, thank you so much
Thank you.
for talking to me, and I can't wait to watch Rak over the weekend. Please आप भी देखिए. Thank you so much and all the best.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.